Spring day in ALMA, Nebraska. Here's a little short video to show you the birdhouse cabin. This is the back entrance here. There's a little carport there, so if you need to park your car inside or something, you can. Beautiful maple tree for shade in the summertime. This is our entrance. Little back porch. Enter into the kitchen. This goes into the bathroom. And our toilet. The dining room where you can have all kinds of fun. Eat your meals, play cards, whatever. Gonna cook breakfast in the morning, don't want to wake everybody up. Shut the door. Make it, everybody can sleep. Here's our smaller bedroom, but it has a queen size bed, dresser, little closet. Look over here, we'll walk into the living room. Beautiful solid oak floors in the whole house. Lots of natural light. Nice beautiful day here in Nebraska. Internet, big screen TV, perfect place to enjoy. Come stay with us at the Birdhouse Cabin. Thank you for viewing this video.